Out of nowhere, chaos strikes. Massive, invasive animals collide with speeding trains and trucks in shocking, heart-stopping moments you won't believe. Watching a 200-ton train meet a deer herd is a stark reminder. Stay alert on the tracks, folks. Safety first in the great outdoors.
So you're going home?
Yes. I'm gonna go home and smoke a fucking Oh my god!
A 500 LB Black Bear can wreck a car in seconds. This footage from Asheville is a wild wake-up call for all of us. Nature is truly unpredictable.
Oh my god.
That close call was heart-pounding. Glad those cows got off the tracks in time. Safety first for our livestock and those heavy freight trains. That 100-ton train was coming fast, but that sharp engineer's quick eye saved the day. True American heroism right on the tracks. Amazing. Hitting a buck at 62 miles per hour is no joke for an 80,000-pound rig. Stay safe out there, truckers. That's why we need those heavy-duty deer guards. Train safety is no joke. Seeing these 100-ton locos stop is impossible. It's a tough look at nature versus steel. Everyone must stay off the tracks. That 150-pound buck came out of nowhere. It's a miracle no one on the bus was hurt. Always stay alert on those back roads, folks. God bless. Watch out! A 400 LB deer hitting a car at 60 miles per hour is pure chaos. These back roads are dangerous for any driver. Stay alert, folks. Watching 200 miles per hour supercars hit deer is a nightmare. Those $200,000 rides are totaled in seconds. Stay alert on those back roads, folks. Watching those heavy rigs hit wildlife is a wake-up call. Stay sharp on those back roads. A 4,000-pound sedan versus a deer is no joke. Drive safe, folks.
What type of weeds that we have?
No drink.
Huh?
Watch out. A 400 LB there just collided with a car in Cali. Slow down on those back roads, folks. Safety first for us and the local wildlife. Witnessing those horses run free is pure gold. It reminds me of the true spirit of the American West. Such a powerful and majestic sight to see.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy
Hitting an 800-pound moose at 55 miles per hour is a nightmare. Always watch the shoulders in Colorado. Stay safe on those White River Forest roads, folks. That 2-foot beast just crushed that car like a soda can. 6 tons of raw power on the road. Nature is truly boss. Stay safe out there, folks. Look at that buck fly. A 150 LB whitetail clearing an 8-foot fence like it's nothing. God's grace in motion, just incredible to see such power.
Turtle, don't do it! Turtle, don't do it! Turtle, no, don't do it! Turtle! Turtle, no! Turtle! Turtle,
Witnessing
don't
a
do it!
freight train versus
Turtle,
a tiny
don't do
turtle is wild.
Don't do it,
Nature's
turtle!
toughness is
Turtle,
unreal.
no!
That's a 20,000-ton beast on those steel
Turtle!
tracks. God bless.
Ah! He did that! That stupid turtle just got rid of him! He started like land! Oh my gosh! Okay. I was filming this because I didn't think
Watching this 100-ton train spark a deadly fire is terrifying. Keep your pets 50 feet away. Safety first for our families and four-legged friends. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, life can change in seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and always respect nature's power.